Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Tesla's chief may as soon as once more be enjoying his playing cards slyly. In accordance with the famed NFT collector, the top-tier Bored Ape non-fungible token (NFT) piece beneath the number 837 has been offered to a nameless purchaser. Reportedly, the customer spent nearly 600 Ethereum on the NFT purchase. What's the catch here though? This nameless purchaser might be Tesla's founder Elon Musk. Whereas Musk has been an ardent supporter of blockchain expertise and cryptocurrencies normally, the tech tycoon has precipitated appreciable upturns out there. Musk's love for meme tokens has been frequent information now, very similar to his annoyance with NFTs. Simply final month, the billionaire expressed his annoyance over the brand new Twitter characteristic that lets premier customers flaunt their NFT purchases as their profile image. Musk commented on Twitter's new characteristic for Twitter Blue customers, saying, "That is annoying," with a screenshot of Twitter's announcement. He added that the social media large doesn't appear to be spending its sources properly. On February 25th, in a thrilling flip of occasions, synonymous NFT collector Derek.eth identified on Twitter that the Bored Ape NFT, beneath the number 1837, has been bought to a nameless purchaser. The identical was additionally highlighted by Crypto Report, Colin Wu. Beforehand, Derek was promoting the piece for 690.420 ETH, broadly generally known as meme numbers, which are usually utilized by Musk in his tweets. Nevertheless, afterwards, he lowered the worth for the piece to 569, almost definitely to promote it faster. The vendor tweeted, "I assumed I had it at 690.420 ETH. Oh, properly, so long as it goes to Elon Musk, I'll be comfortable," the vendor tweeted. Reportedly, the NFT has been bought to a purchaser on MoonPay ETH. On the identical time, studies allege that Musk might have immediately or not directly purchased the NFT. Nevertheless, there was no official affirmation from Musk's aspect. Bored Ape nonetheless not boring for celebs. Bored Apes, a Yuga Labs Ethereum-based NFT mission, has yielded greater than $2 billion in secondary buying and selling quantity throughout 3 collections. The Bored Ape Yacht membership is taken into account a unique social group for NFT holders, together with a number of celeb house owners like Eminem, Jimmy Fallon, Stephen Curry, and Mark Cuban. Canadian musician Justin Bieber up-to-date his Instagram with a submit of a Bored Ape NFT. Bieber purchased the NFT for $1.29 million. The Bay-C NFT assortment was launched on April 30, 2021, and in simply 8 months, they have grown to be the second highest most traded NFTs. That stated, the rumors that Musk too might be a member of the Bored Apes Yacht membership looks like a leap too far, for now, contemplating the entrepreneur's disapproval of NFTs and Web3. Not too long ago, Musk took a jibe at Web3, saying that Web3 feels like bees, and that it's extra advertising buzzwords than actuality proper now. NFTs are ignoring the crypto market catastrophe. Despite the significant drop in the crypto market, the NFT industry is not adversely affected by the outflows from the market. The floor prices of several top-tier collectors have remained the same as they were months ago. The most recent disruptive incident for the industry was the NFT robbery on the OpenSea platform. To explain, a hacker stole nearly $3 million in NFTs. This included pieces from the Bored Ape Yacht Club and sold them on OpenSea's competitor platform, Looks Rare. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Musk said on Monday in a tweet, "I'm selling this song about NFTs as an NFT." The social media post he put up for sale included a song with the lyrics, "NFT for your vanity, computers never sleep, it's verified, it's guaranteed." The tweet for sale also contained a short video loop, which portrayed a trophy labeled Vanity Trophy with the term NFT at the top and HODL across the bottom. HODL is a cheer used by cryptocurrency fans and retail investors to encourage peers to hold on to a coin or shares in a company, rather than sell. On Tuesday, Musk changed his tune, saying in a tweet, "Actually doesn't feel quite right selling this, we'll pass." NFTs are unique crypto tokens used to represent digital assets, including images and video clips. They can be bought and sold like physical collectibles. NFTs run on a decentralized digital ledger or blockchain, which means that transactions, ownership, and validity of any asset that an NFT represents can be tracked. Musk's tweet, including his caption, video, and song, was listed for sale as an NFT on Valuables, a platform released by Cent, the social media network built on blockchain. According to Valuables, the highest last bid on the Musk tweet was $1,121,000 from a Twitter user with the handle @SinaEstavi. The experimental CEO has been known for his endorsement of digital assets of late, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and now NFTs. In February, Tesla revealed it purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and might continue to make cryptocurrency acquisitions. Musk's romantic partner, a musician known as Grimes, also sold around $6 million worth of her digital art after putting them up for auction in recent weeks. His buzz-generating NFT offer on Monday helped Musk distract his tens of millions of followers on Twitter from news of personnel changes in the top ranks of Tesla and a federal probe into a Tesla crash that took place in Detroit late last week. On Monday, financial filings revealed that former Tesla automotive president Jerome Guillen would be vacating that role to become Tesla's president of heavy trucking instead. Tesla has not yet announced the successor to Guillen for the role of president of automotive. On the same day, the Federal Vehicle Safety Authority, NHTSA, said it would be sending a team to Detroit to investigate the underlying cause of a violent crash that occurred there on March 11th, involving a Tesla sedan and a semi-truck. The investigation is now underway. In recent months, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has warned investors against buying or selling stocks and other assets based on information on social media. The financial regulator has also warned investors against buying shares in SPACs or other assets simply because of celebrity involvement in the deal. Electropop musician Grimes, Musk's wife, sold her digital art collection called War Nymph as an NFT last month for $5.8 million. On social media platforms including Twitter, there has been an increasing trend of fraudsters impersonating well-known personalities, such as Tesla CEO promising Bitcoin riches and giveaways. Some Twitter users backed Musk's criticism, while others chided him on doing the exact same thing and tasking Tesla engineers on accepting payments with Dogecoin. Posting a screenshot of Twitter's new feature, the tech billionaire on Friday said, "This is annoying," adding that the social media giant is spending a huge amount of resources on this feature, which, according to Musk, could have been used to spend on blocking crypto scammers. Twitter is spending engineering resources on this, while crypto scammers are throwing a spam bot block party in every thread, Musk tweeted. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below, do you think Elon Musk can bring revolutionary NFT space as well? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!